This is the VOA Special English Economics Report. 2009 may be remembered as the year the world avoided an economic depression. In the United States, stock prices sank to their lowest levels in March. But stocks recovered strongly for the year. The S&P 500 index gained over 20%, its largest increase in 6 years. As 2009 ended, the nation's biggest banks rushed to repay money from the Troubled Asset Relief Program, or TARP. In October of 2008, Congress approved up to $700 billion to rescue the financial industry. In December, the United States Treasury announced that Wells Fargo and Citibank had repaid $45 billion. They joined Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and Bank of America in returning government aid. In June, the Treasury permitted the 10 largest banks to return their rescue money and withdraw from TARP. This let banks escape government restrictions on pay for top officials. Now, the government holds a large ownership share in only one big bank, Citigroup. The Treasury says it expects banks to repay $175 billion of TARP money this year. The American car industry also had big problems in 2009. Chrysler and General Motors sought bankruptcy protection from their creditors. The restructured companies may still need government aid, which has already reached over $60 billion. But a government program that paid Americans to trade in old vehicles for new fuel-saving models increased car sales in the summer. The Ford Motor Company refused government aid and is working to become profitable again by 2011. And there are signs that the industry is starting to recover. However, the housing market continues to suffer its worst downturn in generations. Mortgage financer Fannie Mae reports that payments on 5% of its single-family home loans are late. The 10% unemployment rate has meant that many people are struggling with their house payments. Still, consumer confidence grew in December. Experts say Americans were feeling better about the job market and the economy. Growth in the United States is expected to reach about 2.5% in 2010. And that's the VOA Special English Economics Report.